Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Lincoln Nautilus. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear such as gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and securely in park or neutral. Next, identify the positive and negative terminals on both the dead battery in your Nautilus and the working battery in the other vehicle. This initial preparation is crucial for a safe and effective jumpstart. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take one red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead Lincoln Nautilus battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Finally, take one black negative clamp and connect it to the negative terminal of the good battery. Ensure all connections are firm and secure before proceeding. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Lincoln Nautilus away from the battery. This creates a ground connection. Once connected, start the working vehicle and allow it to run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This charges your dead battery sufficiently. After this charging period, try starting your Nautilus. Congratulations, your Lincoln Nautilus should now be running. Carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection. First the negative clamps, then the positive clamps. To ensure your battery fully recharges, drive your Nautilus for at least 20 minutes. Also, for those looking to simplify their routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.